जय हिंद एवरीवन। एनडीए ज्वाइन करना हर एक यंगस्टर का एक सपना होता है और जैसा कि हम जानते हैं एनडीए का एग्जामिनेशन 12th के साथ में ही सितंबर के मंथ में कंडक्ट किया जाता है जब आप 12th परस्यू कर रहे होते हैं। बच्चों के लिए ये एनडीए की प्रिपरेशन और 12th क्लास साथ साथ में मैनेज करना आसान नहीं रहता। But we are very proud of our cadet Aditya Sklani, who has not only cleared his NDA written examination but SSB interview में recommend होने के बाद he is placed all India rank 38. So heartiest congratulations Aditya.
Thank you, sir.
How are you feeling?
This is a very great feeling for me. All India rank 38 is like a lot for me, the heartfelt moment. And I was not hoping 38, but the 38, it's like a dream come true to me.
Right. मतलब जब आपका रिकमेंडेशन हो गया, ठीक है, मेडिकली फिट हो गए, देन था माइंड में कि 38 रैंक आ जाएगा?
Sir, actually my written was quite good and
What was the score in written?
Sir, the
Approximate score.
approximate was like 480.
480.
480 was
right.
my approximate score. And for the SSB, my SSB was pretty good. But I was having some doubts that at some places it might not come that high. But after the merit list came, I was very grateful.
So how's the feeling now? घर पे कैसा माहौल है?
So, घर पे सर सारे घर पे खुश हैं. जब जस्ट रिकमेंड हुआ था, जब मैंने कॉल किया था, माय फादर वाज वेरी हैप्पी. ही वाज लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफिसर फ्रॉम द हाउस. एक्चुअली आई एम द फर्स्ट ऑफिसर फ्रॉम माय होम.
Okay.
लाइक होम इज ऑल हैप्पी.
और हैप्पी, राइट. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा अपने बैकग्राउंड से बताओगे, आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं एंड फादर मदर क्या ऑक्यूपेशन है उनका?
सर आई ओरिजिनली बिलोंग फ्रॉम हमीरपुर, कक्कड़ विलेज, कक्कड़, टोनी देवी.
दैट इज इन हिमाचल, राइट?
Yes, sir, Himachal. And my father is a communication officer in Police Wireless, and my mother is a homemaker. And I have a little sister. She's in 6th class right now. And that's all the background. And as for the army background, my grandfather was in army. My uncle was in army. And initially, my father was also in army, ITBP. But later he then shifted to the Police Wireless.
राइट, मतलब खून में तो वो फौज वाला जज्बा था, है ना?
Yes, sir.
राइट, गुड, ग्रेट. सो आप एज यू टोल्ड, राइट, फादर जो है वो पुलिस में थे, है ना?
Yes.
राइट. तो ये जो डिफेंस में जाना है, राइट, एनडीए का जो ड्रीम बना आपका, कब से आपने सोचना स्टार्ट किया कि मुझे एनडीए ज्वाइन करना है?
Sir, actually, from 6th, I went to Sainik School. And the schooling there is like the cadet is trained to become an armed force officer. The OLQs are put in him, and all the activities we do. So it's all the schooling that we had. And when I reached like class 9th and 10th, and then I saw my seniors who get selected and get recommended, all happy. I used to see my seniors, like when the written results came, they called their home, and then the tears coming out from their eyes of happiness that they got selected. So that thing motivated me, and then I thought I was like motivated for Air Force. So I want to like go to Air Force, and then I decided that I will do NDA in 10th, and then later in 11th, 12th I started my preparations, and then qualified written and SSB all.
सो आदित्य, चॉइसेस आप आर्मी, एयरफोर्स, नेवी कुछ भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, तो व्हाई यू डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर एयरफोर्स?
So actually, my initial schooling of 3rd class was here only in Chandigarh, and in 3BRD school near Air Force Station. So whenever I go to school, I used to see there was actually a MiG-21 like a plane at like tri section there, and also when I go to school, the Krafts was flying. AN-32 was there, IL-72 was there. So I used to dream like I want to become pilot, I want to go to Air Force, and that was the whole motivation I got. And when I like came in class 10th and I decided to join NDA, then the Air Force was the first thing that came to my mind.
Right,
That's-
great.
yes, sir.
Great. Right. So you started your written exam preparation right from 10th onwards? Start
sir.
कर दिया था आपने?
Actually, sir, my written preparations was from 11th. I started from 11th.
Okay.
Main maths portion was covered in 11th.
11th में आपने स्टार्ट
Yes,
कर
sir.
दिया था, ठीक है, गुड, राइट. सो जब हम एसएसबी इंटरव्यू की बात करें, ठीक है, नर्वसनेस थी जब आप एसएसबी के लिए गए वहाँ पर?
As for interview, sir, I was quite confident of myself. Like I was quite good in communication in English. And when I entered the room, the sir that was taking my interview, he was also very like kind. and then all the nervousness fades once I started the interview. Like first, when I was out of his room, that there was nervousness, but as I entered and the communication started, then all the nervousness was gone.
राइट. तो मतलब जब आपका इंटरव्यू हुआ, राइट, तो कोई ऐसे क्वेश्चंस थे जिसने डिस्टर्ब किया हो, एनी क्वेश्चंस?
As for disturbing questions, there were none, but some challenging questions were there, like on the best friend. Like sometimes, did you had any fights? My interview officer also asked me like, tell me a moment when you thought your father would be angry on you, but he actually didn't, and then he and that disappointed you. So that was some tricky questions that he asked me, mostly on my friend, my best friend Manin, that did you have any fights, why fights, that's all.
ओके, राइट. सो इंटरव्यू में क्या मेजर जो इंटरव्यू में रहा, जैसे आपके स्पोर्ट्स में जो अचीवमेंट्स होती हैं, आपके एक्स्ट्रा करियर के ऊपर बात करते हैं, एकेडमिक से रिलेटेड बात करते हैं, तो क्या मेजरली आपसे पूछा गया?
Actually, I had a quite unique hobby of trading stock market in forex market. So he was quite interested in that, and he asked me a lot of questions about it. And mostly my interview was around my hobby only.
That you are into trading.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what were the questions related to your hobby? मतलब नॉर्मली मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ ताकि अगर बच्चे ने कोई कैंडिडेट है हॉबी स्पेसिफिकली किसी हॉबी को के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो what sort of question he can expect?
So firstly, he asked me that why I do trading, like why only this hobby. And for this, the answer was that while in the lockdown, I was curious to do like side hustles. So that's why I learned that. And then he asked from where I got the funds, from where I got the learning. Then for the learnings, we had like Telegram courses and the white YouTube channels. And for the funds, I explained him briefly about the pro firm things, that other countries companies give us money and we handle that. And then he was interested that on what basis I trade. Then I told him my like the knowledge I got from YT channels, that what I see before entering a trade, and that's all.
So Aditya, this was your first attempt for NDA.
Yes, sir.
Right, and first your SSB interview, right, at the age of 18, right?
Yes, sir.
And getting into NDA is a big thing,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So मैं बात करूँगा कि आप हॉस्टल लाइफ रही आपकी,
Yes, sir.
ऑलमोस्ट 7 years के लिए आप हॉस्टल में रहे हो, है ना?
Yes.
राइट. हाउ हॉस्टल लाइफ हैज शेप्ड योर जर्नी टू NDA?
Sir, hostel life, I think the prominent reason I joined NDA, I cleared my SSB, is the hostel life only. Because when I joined in 6th class, I was underconfident guy, not talking too much, shy, introvert. And as I made friends, as we grew up through the classes, 7th, 8th, 9th, the nervousness all faded out, and we all grew up. I became confident. My communication was becoming better day by day. I participated in a lot of competitions, like we had in schools, debate, declamations and quizzes and all. I participated in them. And also my friends, I got some really good friends in hostel life, and they also motivated me. It was like we all pushing each other to the top. And the main reason,
मतलब we can say healthy competition.
Yes,
right?
sir, healthy
Your
competition.
friends at one time, right?
Yes,
जब
sir.
हॉस्टल में जाते हैं friends हैं, when you are in the ground then you
Yes,
are
sir.
competing.
so all the competition, and then the main part, sports. I play football. I played zonals also for the school. So that's the thing, that where all the confidence comes from, where all the nervousness goes out, and you start thinking clearly. Your mind becomes free, and you just become confident, and that's hostel life does to you. That's
सो मीन्स आपका ये मानना है कि अगर बच्चे को कोई भी यंगस्टर है, इफ ही वांट्स टू ज्वाइन NDA, राइट, और स्पेसिफिकली जो SSB इंटरव्यू के पर्सपेक्टिव में जो लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ की अगर हम बात करें, राइट, तो उसके लिए हॉस्टल लाइफ इज अ परफेक्ट वन, राइट?
Yes, hostel life is like most perfect. Yes, sir.
मतलब कि हॉस्टल में देयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, जैसे हम जनरली बात करें सोशल एडजस्टमेंट की बात करते हैं, दैट कम्स नेचुरली टू यू, राइट? यू डोंट हैव अ चॉइस अदरवाइज, राइट? मतलब यू हैव टू से, कई बार हम देखें काफ़ी सारे यंगस्टर्स होते हैं, कोई गेस्ट घर पे आते हैं तो दे जस्ट शाई अवे फ्रॉम दैट एनवायरनमेंट, ऐसा
Yes,
होता
sir.
है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
तो मतलब अल्टीमेटली जब आप फौज के एनवायरनमेंट में रहना है तो एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि आप एकदम से किसी के साथ मतलब एक फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर होना चाहिए. यू शुड नॉट मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ठीक है किसी के साथ बातचीत करने में टाइम लगेगा आपको एडजस्टमेंट करने में. यू शुड बी ओपन टू द थिंग्स
Yes, sir.
एंड दैट बिकम्स वेरी नेचुरल व्हेन यू आर स्टेइंग इनसाइड द हॉस्टल. ठीक है, तो हॉस्टल में रह रहे डिफरेंट रीजन से, डिफरेंट एरिया से, डिफरेंट माइंडसेट के लोग जो आप वहाँ पर आते हैं एंड देन दे स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द सेम एम. एक ही एम के साथ में वो अपना लाइफ जो है वो मूव करते हैं एंड वो धीरे धीरे जो है वो आपके अंदर ना एक जो गैप्स होते हैं, जो बैरियर्स होते हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली खत्म हो जाते हैं.
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज हैं, कॉपरेशन है, राइट, सोशल एडजस्टमेंट दैट आई टॉक अबाउट, एवरीथिंग, हर चीज़ें जो है वो आपकी नेचुरली बिल्डअप होना स्टार्ट
Yes,
करती
sir.
हैं. एक और चीज़ मैंने जो नोटिस करी है, नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि जब आप घर पे रहते हैं तो शायद आप टाइम को इतने अच्छे से मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हैं. ठीक है, बट व्हेन यू आर इन हॉस्टल तो योर टाइम इज, आपका जो डेली शेड्यूल है वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक डिसिप्लिन्ड मैनर में स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
Yes,
राइट, यू डोंट हैव चॉइसेस. सम टाइम ऐसा होता है कि ठीक है घर पे हैं तो ठीक है आज मॉर्निंग में नहीं उठे तो लेट उठ गए, है ना,
Yes,
राइट.
sir.
बट व्हेन यू वंस यू आर इन हॉस्टल तो वो चीज़ें जो है वो नेचुरली मूव करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. ऑटोमेटिकली जो बॉडी माइंड है वो उन चीज़ों को अडॉप्ट करता है.
Yes,
एंड यू गेट एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. नॉर्मली जब हम बात करें 11th-12th में जब बच्चे स्टडीज़ करते हैं तो उसके साथ में क्या होता है कि आपने अगर एनडीए में जाना है तो स्पोर्ट्स, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी, जैसे कि आदित्य सकलानी ने बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज किया, राइट. एंड आई थिंक आप एकेडमिक्स में भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. अभी
Yes,
रिजल्ट तो नहीं आया, 12th का रिजल्ट नहीं
नहीं
आया,
आया, sir.
बट माइट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग गुड परसेंटेज,
sir.
राइट.
Yes, sir.
10th में कितना था आपका?
So 90.
90% 10th में था एंड दैट ही मैनेज लॉन्ग विद स्पोर्ट्स एंड एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. ठीक है, और 12th की बात करें तो अगेन ही माइट बी गेटिंग टू सेम सिमिलर जोन,
Yes, sir. Around मतलब above 85.
85
Yes,
टू
sir.
90 के बीच में स्टैंड करें.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. एक और मैंने जो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ देते आपके बारे में मैंने नोट करी है, और जो बच्चे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं डिफेंस फोर्सेस एज ऑफिसर्स, तो हम देखते हैं कि हाउ यू यूटिलाइज द टाइम. कोविड टाइम में एक बहुत सबके लिए एक टफ टाइम था,
Yes, sir.
बट यू मेड बेस्ट यूज ऑफ इट.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, राइट, और यू क्रिएटेड वन हॉबी. ठीक है, तो दैट इज समथिंग वी ऑल नीड टू लर्न कि जब आपके पास टाइम है, अपॉर्चुनिटी है, हाउ प्रोडक्टिवली यू आर यूटिलाइजिंग दैट टाइम. ठीक है, आपके अंदर वो वैल्यू एडिशन कैसे हो रहा है, दैट मेक्स यू डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर्स. ठीक है, तो जब भी बेटा जो भी कैंडिडेट्स इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, इन केस आपके माइंड में है कि मुझे डिफेंस फोर्सेस ज्वाइन करना है, जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ कि आपके पास जो टाइम है उसको कैसे और बेटर वे से आप यूज़ कर सकते हो उसको, एंड दैट विल डिफाइन योर जर्नी. वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको जो है वो उस ट्रैक पे ले जाएगी. सो आदित्य, थोड़ा सा मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आपका जो जीटीओ रहा, ठीक है, जीटीओ
sir.
में क्या ग्रुप डिस्कशन का टॉपिक क्या रहा आपका?
Sir, actually we were having two topics of group discussion. One was like why Indian students are going out for studies, and the second one was about the ISRO, like the recent missions that ISRO did. So actually my group also was filled with lot of hostelers and science school guys. So we
Okay.
all were having like good communication with each other. Like the chemistry was between us also was very good. So we were giving chance for others also to speak. So we had a healthy communication and healthy group discussion there. And that's a main thing, that how you perform in groups. Because there is a lot of time when you are off the eyes of officers, like when you eat, when you like have free time, then that's the time you made bond with your group mates, and that's when you like start having good bonding with them, and that's help in GTO also, that help in group other group activities also. And that for me, as I have hostelers only, so they all understood each other and the bonding was good, so we all made a healthy communication there, and all was able to speak on the given their topics.
राइट, और लेक्चर में क्या टॉपिक्स रहे आपके?
For lecturate, sir, the main topics was the weapons of mass destruction, work from home, and the third was my village, and fourth I don't remember, but I spoke on the weapons of mass destruction, all the nuclear war and that things. Yes, sir.
गुड. एंड जब हम बात करते हैं, देखो जैसे आपने एनडीए के लिए प्रिपेयर किया, एसएसबी इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर किया, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो व्हाट वर द एरियाज यू फेल्ट कि जब आपको एसएसबी इंटरव्यू के लिए करना, व्हाट आर द एरियाज यू फेल्ट कि यार ये शॉर्टकमिंग्स हैं और उनको वर्कआउट करना है, एंड आई वांट टू नो दैट हाउ यू वर्कड ऑन दोस थिंग्स.
Sir, for the shortcomings, I thought that my GK was not very good. Like I was not having good general awareness, because in school, science school, we don't have much time for like reading newspapers. Our schedule is very tight, and also the GK was the one part. The second part was the group activities only, because for the Sainik school guys, when we are with each other, we are all very like active. But when we go out, that for me only, I think, for not all of, I am, some students are there that we feel very shy. But as I told you, that when I like talked with my group, so all were hostless, then we became quite fond of each other, and then we was able to have good communication. And those were the main reasons, I thought. And one was my writing speed in the psych, the TAT, VAT and SRT. I also, my TAT was good, all the stories written. VAT was all 60 done, but for the SRT I only did 36 SRTs out of 60. So that was one main thing which I thought, which I earlier also think that was my shortcoming. But I think I didn't improve it well, and 36 SRT is only done, but that didn't made much
मच डिफरेंस है ना,
difference. Yes, sir.
ओके राइट. तो 36 करके भी अगर आप 38 रैंक पे पहुंच जाते हैं तो दैट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट इन इटसेल्फ, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो आदित्य, बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स हैं, ठीक है, जो एनडीए ज्वाइन करना है. तो ऑलमोस्ट 6 लाख कैंडिडेट्स हैं जो कि एनडीए के एग्जाम में अपीयर होते हैं, ठीक है, एंड वी नो द नंबर हु एक्चुअली ज्वाइन द नेशनल डिफेंस अकेडमी,
Yes,
राइट?
sir.
So, what is your message for the youngsters, right, who are aspiring to join National Defense Academy?
Study hard for written. Written is the easiest part is the written only. Then comes the SSB, and SSB you have to just be yourself. Like, yeah, I know that everyone says just be yourself, and you think like, what be yourself? But from be yourself, I mean just try to observe more in your life. Like, try to observe what you do in your daily routine, because there are little things that only make the difference. Only the little things makes the difference. Try helping each other out. Like, if you have friends, go out with them. Start knowing each other. Notice what you do in your daily routines, and that's where all the difference matters, because every unique thing is checked in SSB. When you write the self descriptions, you have to like know it yourself only, that yes, you have that capabilities, you have that shortcomings. Once you self introspect, you will know what you have to do, what you have not to do. So that's the only message I have for you, and that's how you all will get into NDA. If you want to do self introspection and just start knowing your daily routine briefly, deeply. That's it.
And one more thing, right? If possible, one should join hostel life.
Yes, sir. If possible, hostel life is the best life. I spoke many topics when I was in 6th, because in 6th there is like, when students join in 6th, their homesickness is there.
Right.
So we used to speak like hostel life is the best life. So I spoke a lot on it.
Great, right. So, Aditya Saklani was part of our program, right? Nimbus Defense Academy was training the cadets of Sainik School Sujanpur Tira, right? He was part of that program only, and we are very proud that he was able to get into the rank of already ranked 38, right? And best wishes from Nimbus Defense Academy.
Thank you,
We are also grateful to the team, administrative team, principal ma'am, vice principal sir, right? उनकी कोलैबोरेशन का, उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करके हम इस प्रोग्राम को अच्छे से कंडक्ट कर पाए, राइट? एंड वी विश यू बेस्ट विशेस ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ निम्बस डिफेंस अकेडमी, राइट? डू वेल इन योर लाइफ.
Thank you, sir.